Get ready to revolutionize the way you plan and organize your life. Our magnetic dry erase calendar and planner is the ultimate solution for non-magnetic surfaces. Embrace a world of vibrant colors that ignite your passion and creativity. With its sleek and sturdy surface, our calendar holds its ground, keeping your days organized and your dreams within reach. Erase, modify, and let your creativity flow with our rainbow of colors. No more missed deadlines. Our planner empowers you to prioritize tasks based on urgency, so you can tackle them head on.